What's up everybody, Drew here. Today I wanted to give you guys a tour and show you guys the new upgrade for the Digi booth that we are selling. It's one of the most affordable iPad photo booth shells you can buy. And I have a lot of questions that were asked, and I wanted to show you the upgrades, give you this tour, and yeah. So without further ado, here is the shell. This is the newest model of this photo booth, and the price is $999 for the shell. And let's really quick just give you a tour. You have the ring light here, and then this is where the iPad will be. And then you have the center column with the base plate. This thing is sturdy, solid metal, not flimsy, thin, cheap quality things that you may see on other photo booths. But new upgrade here is the handle piece, which makes it easy when you're taking the booth apart. You can hold it, and that way you can throw in the screws to get it put in place. It does have a tilt mechanism here, so you can tilt it forward, you can tilt it back, angle it really nice. And here it is from the back side. You have this area here where the cords come out. And that's pretty much it. Let me go ahead and head back. So the newest upgrade, like I said, is the back of the light. This is actually a different light, which is a little bit brighter than the previous model. And the coolest thing about this is it also changes colors like the party booth. And it has the functions where you can change the schemes. You can even have it rotate light. And yeah, it's super important because you can literally, like, let's say if there's a Kinsei and the red is the theme, you can leave it like that, throw in some extra lighting so that the iPad, the camera shots aren't colored. So yeah, this is the booth. I get a lot of people asking, can we change out this design here? The answer is yes, you can. This is basically a sticker. It's like a thick sticker that we have here, and it's on the, basically slides onto the acrylic part. You can put a hot gun to it, take out the sticker, you can peel it off, and you can get your own made. And sometimes people will just peel it off and just have it blank, which is totally doable as well. So again, the price for this booth, only $999. You'll get the shell, we'll ship it to you, or if you're local in Los Angeles area, you can meet up at our showroom. In the description, I'm going to put the link to buy this photo booth. Also, I'll put my phone number, so if you're interested, literally you guys can reach out, you can text me. Another thing is, this will fit the iPad 10th gen, the iPad 9th gen, the 10.2 inch. So the 9th gen, 10.2 inch iPad, and you can find these iPads all day, $300 online. So yeah, again, everything that's included, the booth, you get the documents, which would be the sample contracts for your customers, the forms, you'll get the free 1-month trial of Curator Live, and they'll also hop on a call with you to show you how to use the software. And then you also will get the access to the other photo booth owners. And it's like a little community we're growing. I think next week we're going to drop that group chat, and it's just going to be a great place to be as a business owner. So if you guys want one of these, I only have, I think, 3 of these models left right now. I'm just seeing how they're going to sell. And the catch for this is, yes, it's only $999. I just ask when you purchase one, after you get the photo booth, just leave a review. I'm just trying to build the business, and that's why we have these prices so low. So again, if you're interested, link in the description to purchase. Also, my number, if you have any questions, you can text me there. So see you guys soon, and yeah, happy holidays. See you guys. Bye.